My dear audience, so in the before video we saw that the memory, what is the problem, means without revision how it will go below 18% we saw. So this is the biggest problem, so revision is mandatory to remember things. So what is the solution for this? How to do revise this many times? Means for this there is a solution, how to revise this many times. Okay, for that the solution is called mind map. So mind map means that is the technique we'll use. So that is mind map can be prepared using keywords. So in the other videos I will teach how to prepare a mind map using keywords. That will save lot of time. So okay, but this mind map which and all, where and all we can use. This is little bit time taking, but for very big goals we have, then for that definitely I will recommend mind maps to start preparing. For example, you are aspiring for IIT JEE. So that is the biggest dream actually. So for that you can prepare mind maps like for math, physics, chemistry. Then if your goal is after engineering, if you want to do MBA from reputed institute, that is Indian Institute of Management, then you can prepare your notes with mind map. And also in US, if you want to do masters like using GRE TOEFL, if you want to prepare, then you can use mind map. So I will be doing another videos how to prepare mind map, this one. But you can see that this is XMind. This is a software actually to prepare mind maps only. So I will be doing all my videos using mind maps only. So you will automatically learn how to do using mind map. So if you are watching this channel first time, please subscribe first so that you don't miss my videos, and also press bell icon, and also please inform all your friends to get benefited. So all the best students. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.